Today's topic is color model, and today we'll be discussing very basic about color models, and from next classes we will be describing each color model in detail. So color model is used to specify a particular color in a standard way. Any color we want to represent, but there is some standard way to represent a color model. We can represent color model in a coordinate system within which any color is represented by a single point. We'll see more detail about the sentence in next lines. There is two ways of describing color model. One color model is oriented towards hardware, that is color devices or some hardware devices like scanners or printers. So the first color model, which is oriented towards hardware, that is RGB model. So RGB is by using red, green, blue components, or cyan, yellow and magenta components. So RGB is used in monitors, and cyan, yellow and magenta, and cyan, yellow and magenta black, these are used in printers. So RGB, these are the primary colors of light, while cyan, magenta, yellow are primary color of pigments. So RGB are the pigments, and cyan, magenta, yellows are primary colors of pigments. So we will be discussing this in next class in more detail. Here is just an overview. Color image is represented by three primary color components, and mixing these components in proper proportion generate all possible colors. So this is a RGB model. Here we are having a cube, and these three colors are represented in three axes, where one axis represent blue, another axis represent green, and another axis represent red. So at this 0 1 0 0 1 0, this is the green coordinate, and this is blue, and this is red. And 0 0 0, where there is no color, that is represented as black. And we have all the colors, then we represent it by 1 1 1, and that is represented by white. So as we move from black to white, here as we are moving from black to white, different shades of gray colors will get along this line. This is also known as intensity line. So as we move from black to white, we will be having different combinations of gray colors, and combining blue and red will give us magenta in some proportion, and combining blue and green will give us cyan, and red and green gives us yellow. And this RGB model is represented in coordinate system, or is represented by coordinate system. So any particular dot in this cube represent a particular color. It is obtained by mixing all the colors or colors in a proper proportion to get a color. So this is an RGB. So line joining black to white, also called as intensity axis, represents gray level scale as we move from black to white. And this is used in hardware, and this model is represented in coordinate system. And other color model is for human perception, that is hue, saturation and brightness. And that is by using hue, saturation and brightness, or intensity, HSI, hue, saturation and intensity. So intensity gives gray level information, and hue and saturation gives the chromatic information. We'll be discussing this both of the models in details in next class. Here just I have given an overview of the color model. Thank you.